we have over here Somnath Bharti, AAP MLA. He'll be representing their point of view, giving some answers. Anupita Roy Chaudhary of Centre for Science and Environment. Remember, it's been revealed now, it was they who went and spoke to the Delhi government, suggested some measures which have been adopted by the Delhi government. And also the lawyers who are now opposing it. They've gone to Supreme Court, they've got a PIL, we've got lawyers over here, Shweta Kapoor and RK Kapoor. She's the petitioner. They're saying it is totally impractical. A lot of students here behind me. What's interesting, I just want to do a quick poll before we start the show. How many of you support Delhi government? Okay, so just about a little shorter on this particular point of the on this particular point, Somnath Bharti want to say. So not everyone, you would think that students use a lot of public transport, but not everybody supports it. So we are going on this show to talk about the myth versus the facts, because there are lots of things going on. I just wanted to point out before we go to the people who have filed the PIL today, just some of the myths that we can quickly deal with. One, that everybody is saying, Anupita Roy Chaudhary, if you can just deal with this, they're saying vehicular population is not the main problem. Myth or fact?
No, vehicular pollution is responsible for maximum exposure to toxic fume because they emit within our breathing zone all the time.
Okay.
And they're extremely toxic and they're full of carcinogens.
Okay.
So we really need to control it to protect us.
So it's not just 8% of the pollution as being talked about.
According to the Kanpur IIT study submitted to the government very recently, vehicles are the second largest polluter in the city.
Okay, so that's one myth that's busted. It is, according to an IIT study, one of the major pollutants. So saying that it's not a big problem is something which is defied by an IIT study. So that brings us to the people who are skeptical about it. You have gone to court now, Shweta Kapoor. What is it that you're saying? Why are you opposing the Delhi government so much?
See, we're not opposing the Delhi government on this. What we are opposing is the measures that are being taken. For example, this particular knee-jerk reaction for the Delhi government to come up with this scheme the day after the Delhi High Court said that living in Delhi is like a gas chamber is not enough. We need to have a proper study, have the pros and cons, because Beijing doing something or Mexico doing something is not the same as Delhi doing something. In our city itself, there is a very underdeveloped public transport system. The infrastructure is not possible.
Okay.
And the feeder buses are not there.
Okay, so I think your petition has a lot. Let's get Somnath Bharti to counter them one by one. That brings us to our second myth, that it hasn't worked anywhere else in the world is what many skeptics are saying. Why are you trying it here? Something which is a failed thing. That's one other thing. Is it a myth or a fact?
See, if some time ago we started car-free day, there were a lot of rumors that this will not work, this will not work. We have had so far 2 car-free days, and the response, enthusiasm activated by the youth particularly has been phenomenal. See, everything we start with skepticism. We are worried, this will not work, this will not work. Why are we so negative? Emergency situations warrant emergency measures. Today, I was shocked to know myself that 2.2 million of children in Delhi, they are suffering from cardiac, this respiratory diseases.
So you think it's a...
More than 50%.
Okay.
Are we not accountable towards our children?
Can we
What are we giving them?
Can we look at the myth and fact? Has it worked anywhere else in the world, Anumita?
There is enough evidence to show that when they've implemented this, it has given results. For instance, in Beijing, when they tried out for the first time, pollution levels came down 38%, traffic came down by 22%, and road accident reduced by 53%.
Okay,
Look at the whole
Our
benefit.
car-free day, that particular day when this pollution was measured at those points, it was much low.
Okay,
it was found much low.
So speaking
Why to
about,
travel abroad?
Speaking about emergency measures, we saw something in Parliament today. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi was seen, the only MP in Parliament there, who came in with wearing a mask in Parliament. Perhaps we haven't seen that. We've seen people taking cycles. But Gaurav Gogoi, you are now joining us from the capital. Lots of divided opinions. Do you support, since you obviously took an emergency measure, do you support this emergency measure of the odd-even formula?
Well, I agree with on one point that it's an emergency measure and therefore it's a short duration measure. We can do it for a week or do it for 2 weeks. But what are we doing on a long-term day-to-day basis? I don't see a possibility where every day of the year we will have cars by odd and even numbers. So there needs to be a long-term measure which would requires higher fuel emission standards, requires shutting down of thermal power plants, requires that we shift to better technology for our cars, be more energy efficient. So this is only a small drop in the ocean as per me.
And you support it for those 15 days?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Will you support just for those 15 days or initial one, will you support it? Will your party support it? Will you support it?
Yes, we are happy to see how this will pan out. So I think that it's a decision which is a step forward, and we're happy to see how this step will result in. But I hope that it does not stop at this. Then a lot more things needs to be done.
Okay, so everybody is talking now, Somnath Bharti, about what is it that you're doing. Fine, you've got this emergency measure. What are you doing? Which is what you've also pointed out. What are the backup supports? How are you improving the DTC and the metro for the number of people, added number of people who are going there?
See, we are augmenting the existing fleet of buses and the feeder buses to metro. We're working overnight. We're working overboard because see, all these measures need to be put together. Then only this will be successful.
Okay.
And we would do nothing which would be an inconvenience to our people. It is for the people. It is not against them. See,
Okay.
at the end of the day, we're responsible. In addition to this, we're also going to shut down this Badarpur and this Rajghat thermal plants.
Okay.
In addition to that, we'll also be putting many more devices on the roads, which will take off the dust of the PWD roads.
The whole vacuum cleaning
Of
of
course.
roads. Okay, fine. So these are some of the other measures, but people still have a lot of queries. And one young woman in the audience over here had a query which part of her whole myth versus fact thing. Because many people, I see it on social media as well, are saying, what did you want to say? What was your opposition to it? Go ahead.
I feel this law is going to be a little elitist. There are families which have one car per person. There are families which have one car for 5 people. So I just feel it's very elitist, this law. Then isn't
Somnath
it more
Bharti,
inconvenient for
please
people
respond.
who just have one car per person?
See, when I became minister, I was taking metro every day. And I found it very comfortable. Even today, when I go to Vidhan Sabha to attend my legislative assembly, I take metro. I find it very comfortable. I can read in the metro. I can do my work in the metro. And this public transport dependency has to be increased. And that has to be made elitist. Public transport has to be made elitist. So that everybody
So
opts for it.
perception you're saying is
That's correct.
Okay.
So far the perception of public transport is, I'll give an example. 16 air purifiers were used by Madam Sheila Dikshit ji in her house when she was Chief Minister. So she was bothered about her own house. She's not bothered about the people living in.
I don't think that's a
Anyway.
verified fact.
No, this is there. I have the report with me.
No, I don't think
I have
that's
the report with me.
Okay, so come, let's
16
It's very
purifiers.
unfortunate. It's very unfortunate that you're politicizing this issue.
I have with me.
Should we talk about the role that CNG and the Delhi Metro has taken? I'm very sorry, Sunetra, that on such an important issue, Mr. Bharti is trying to politicize. Is he going to give credit to Sheila Dikshit ji for the metro? Today, the metro has done the most amount of work in terms of public transport. The very same metro he takes to his weddings, it has been the initiative of Sheila Dikshit ji and has taken away carbon from the system. So I feel that there needs to be more such proactive measures instead of berating this.
Okay.
Came forward.
I don't think
For
we
the
should get caught
CNG
up in
for
the
the CNG
Congress
buses.
versus AAP thing.
The CNG buses.
I think we have lots of
I'm
queries
sorry,
over here. Let's try and
can-
sort them out.
At least
And-
today, let
I'm
us
just
not
sorry
try
about
to
what he
score
said.
political
Yeah.
points. At
Exactly.
least today,
I
let's
agree
not
with
try
you.
to score
No,
political
I'm
points.
all with you on this, and I
Okay, so
appreciate that you had
let's get back to
you
another
had
question.
this mass today. While
Bring
There's
forward
another very
solutions
valid
and
question
bring
that
forward
people
long-term
have raised.
solutions.
One second.
of course.
Okay. So the
course.
other question, if we can just bring up a talking point which people sent to us was, which is really valid, how does it work for NCR cars? How do they, because they don't have the metro everywhere in the NCR, yet many people commute for work, right? Who has that worry? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, it's like when you talk about the metro, it is something that is not really convenient for everyone. I mean, people. Okay, let's talk about a woman who's commuting at night, right? She does not have the facility of a metro at night, and again, things like women's safety come into play. So that
Women are actually really feeling unsafe
Also,
about.
what about
Yeah.
the night shifts? They go in night shifts, so what about them? They go in an even license plate and come back.
That's
to
a
the
really
normal
valid point.
one.
Somnath
Right.
Bharti, how will the night shift people work it out?
So these are practical problems which need to be sorted out before we launch on 1st of January 2016.
Okay.
They have to have properly resolved. I mean, there are genuine concerns. They have to be resolved. Now, but एक हिंदी में कहावत है, जान बचे तो लाखों पाए. भाई कम से कम जिए तो सही. If you're living in such an environment which is so toxic, which is so pollutant,
Yeah.
how are we going to live? What sort of responsibility we have towards our kids,
And-
towards our youth?
Anumita, is that
They
NCR
deserve
thing?
a better
Is
environment.
there a solution for the NCR
It is
thing?
doable. We have seen when the Car Free Day was organized in Gurgaon, it was amazing to see how the multinational corporations and the employer associations and students came forward to come with variety of strategies of carpooling, shuttle and feeders, right?
Okay.
Where the companies have reported 70 to 100% employees turning up in public
So
transport.
in Gurgaon
it's
they
possible.
did it. But they did it for one day.
You know, we are
Anumita.
not saying it's going to be very easy for everyone, because
Okay.
coming out of the comfort of the car is going to be difficult for a lot of people.
Okay, fine.
But you
Sunita,
still
just
have to
to
do
add to
this with
her.
a positive agenda and
Just to
find a
add to her.
solution
Yeah.
for it.
When Chief Justice of India says that I'm willing to do carpooling,
Yeah.
can you imagine the top boss of the judiciary says this?
Sure, you got a
I mean,
major- yeah.
this is something which was so encouraging to all of us.
Okay, yeah. The CJI supporting them. Do you have hope for your PI also?
Pooling definitely is better, but why should it be for even or odd days? It should be for everyone, for all the cars. Pooling is one factor. It doesn't mean that you should start with the practice of even and odd numbers. See, in fact, what is the difficulty? The question is, we want to solve the pollution problem which is in the air.
Yeah.
It's not by only by solving the cars. You see, you should.
You're saying it's not the main problem.
Find out the first. See, these construction activities, they are increasing pollution.
So I think we dealt with that right at the beginning about what percentage IIT said that
just
it's a
one thing.
major one. One
Two-wheelers
second, sir.
contributing 56% of the carbon monoxide.
Okay.
Two-wheelers. So how would you solve
Okay,
this
the
problem?
two-wheeler question we'll just deal with. Gaurav Gogoi, you have a question. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
No, you wanted to intervene. What is your major concern about this emergency measure? What is your major concern?
No, my major concern is that this is not, we're not taking hard measures and we're not acting fast enough. If you look at what has happened in Chennai, you know, today there are floods because we didn't plan in advance. Even now, it's not only up to the Delhi government. The pollution in Delhi also has sources which are there in other neighboring states. Now, Delhi government cannot tell Haryana or a Punjab government to not burn fossil fuels or shut down industry plants. This is where the center steps in. They have to look at NCR as a whole, look at the entire the neighboring states as a whole, and talk about the sources of industrial pollution, talk about pollution caused by burning of wood, talk about vehicular pollution, and therefore the central government needs to do more.
Okay.
Secondly, the central government
That's
is
right. Okay, so we'll get there.
taking
Gaurav
a lot of
Gogoi, hold
data
that
through
thought.
the National
We'll
Air
get
Quality
Somnath
Index.
Bharti and Anumita
So
to
they need to
respond
create
that
more
in just a
awareness
minute.
amongst public.
We'll take a short break and come back. Okay, we'll just come back to hear the response.